Hi and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to enable the graphic equalizer on your LG Smart TV. To start with, press the settings button. Then we need to choose the second option, which is sound mode. The graphic equalizer works when the sound mode is on standard. So if you need to, click it and move along the list until you find standard. Click away once done. Then scroll down the list, go to all settings. We go to sound, across and down to advanced settings. And here you can see the equalizer. Click it, it's on, click customize, and you can make adjustments as you see fit by going up and down, across to the right, up and down, and again to the right or back to the left. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you have, really appreciate giving it a quick thumbs up, helps me out a lot. Thanks very much for choosing my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.